Guys, nothing like nature. Look at. See vegetables, you know. We see all these things in the village. See pawpaw. See pawpaw. See plantain. That is nature, honestly. Each time I come to this place, I feel as if I'm in the village. Look at. Very beautiful environment. See the tree I'm under. This is avocado pear. And we have mango here. I'm going towards that. Look at mango tree. See it. Mango tree. Oh, Jesus. Come and see banana. Come and see banana. Oh, this is wonderful. See banana. Can you see banana? See. Then look at the bitter leaf we are looking for. See where it full. Oh my goodness. Life. See. Here and village. No difference. No difference. No difference. No difference. Nature. So wonderful.
Is that light?